Hello, everybody. Today we're gonna be doing something very different. Today we're gonna be messing around with GPD Win3 because the joystick and all the controllers don't work on it. I was told by GPD Win or the company that uh, so stupid. In one sentence, after back and forth, um, you can tear the original joystick controller out and reinstall it. So none of the buttons work, none of the mouse work. It worked once, and I told them this, and they say it's probably because it's not. From what I'm getting, is they can't. It's not connected right inside, and so um, yeah, I'm gonna take it apart, look at it, and see if there's something, not connected right. Which is totally dumb because this should be like a QA thing that they do before it leaves the factory. I didn't care if it was going to be a month or so earlier. Want I actually wanted this to be right out the box. I play with it because I actually do want to do some things with it and maybe make it my main computer for like the uh, the foreseeable future with with a with a a Thunderbolt dock. Come on, stop freaking out when I do stuff, camera. Okay, you know what? You're stuck right there. You know what? Just raise it a bit, and we're good. Okay, so we're gonna start undoing some screws. We're just gonna use a Phillips head. I didn't get any instructions on how to do this. They just said tear it apart. You can tear the original joystick out and reinstall that. That is literally the only sentence they told me with any instructions. I literally asked them before. Um, what was my reply? What was oh no. Show original message. I have okay, so I told them I have installed both your versions of Windows 3 and twice normally. My controller is worked for getting set up Windows. Oh no. Nope. I know I said something to them at least once. I don't know. Wait, I got that one. Okay. And so now I gotta tear this thing down and put it on camera because if I screw something up, they're gonna be like, oh, well, you shouldn't have done this. Well, I literally have an email from you guys saying, hey, tear out the joystick. I'm like, you're just so dumb. Like, nah, no, I can't grab that one. That one. So some of these screws are magnetic, and it's looking like some of them are and some of them aren't, which is actually quite a bad sign. Because the screwdriver has a magnetic tip on it, and I was not able to get out this screw right here. It's just like that one right there. I can't get that one out using the magnetic tip. So there will be some, if you do buy this, there are some ways that they're cheaping out on this from what I'm seeing right now. Just besides the Q. Ooh. Okay, there it is. Just besides the the quality of it not working when I get it in the mail after it being such a expensive thing. Jeez. So how do I? I really don't want to with it. Okay, we're gonna take off the top two screws. There was one there, and then there's going to be one here. And I'm trying to figure it out how to... Oh, that's looser now. That's like super loosey-goosey right there. I really... There is no way to, like, tear this down properly. Like that's plastic. There are no metal... Oh, wait, where's my plastic spudgers? I should have done the research beforehand how to tear this down. Let's throw on a YouTube video and cut the sound because I don't want to... Yeah. Okay, intro. Okay, it looks just like what I said I was doing. Cool. And he was able to get the back out. There. A couple of these things. And maybe this plastic tool. I don't want to use metal ones. Nah, we'll throw the metal one out there just in case. Yeah, we'll throw that metal one out there just in case. So, iFixit. This should actually be sponsored by iFixit. Please, guys, help me out. Because I really don't want to. I do want to ask, but then... Ooh. Okay, so... I mean, I gotta get in the way of the camera sometime. Ooh, nope. Okay, so I gotta poke at it, because it's... Oh, man. This is, like, stupid. Come on. Okay, so... You're gonna go in here. Has to not be that thing. Okay, there we go. There's one. Of course, I go straight for the metal things because I'm like, nee. That's better because it'll hold up more. And I'm like, no. Nope. How are we doing over here? Nope. I really don't want to. Force this crap. So I'm trying to get. I got one side up. Just like stupid. I really hate this because I paid for the extra RAM, the extra memory, and I'm like, dude, like, give me a product that works. I mean, I know I took out all the screws. There shouldn't be. The only screw I haven't taken out is that one, and I'm just like... There, okay, now I got that one out. But wait, let me just see. Yeah, okay, it is magnetic, okay. But it's just not magnetic enough to be with like that. How they did this. Nope. So what'd they do? They did that. I know I'm stealing ideas from someone else, but like, this is dumb. Holy crap, is this dumb? Okay, there we go. There we go. I didn't want to force it, but it looks like you kind of have to force some of these. And I'm using the blue pick tool, or one of the blue picks, and just running straight down. And again, I hope this doesn't screw anything up. Okay, so we got that going on there. Alright, so I gotta... Okay, so come on, focus. Focus, focus, focus. Come on. For some reason, this fits in there. Okay, so it just goes right in there somehow, and I can't really show it on camera because it's like super weird. It's messing up the finish, of course. Making it look like a goddamn joke of a thing. There we go. It'll never be the same because this is plastic, of course. Okay, so I got it partially open. Wait, is there a screw under this? Is that why I'm having... Yeah, it's a screw under this. God damn it. Of course, the hidden screw. That's what almost ruins it. There we go. There, okay. So, first things first, that's the battery. Oof. Okay, so first things first, get all these useless tools over here. Now that I have it open, I don't really need any of the rest of it. I really hate this because I know I don't know what's... Did they super glue? They super glued this in. Like, what the shit, man? Of course I'm not going to be able to get to it. You guys are such a piece of shit. Like, oh, figure it out. Well, it's basically the equivalent of figure it out. What they said is just, oh, just open it up and reconnect it. I'm like, you kidding me? And now that I see this crap here, okay, so this is the port that I'm guessing. I'm actually 90% sure this is the USB interface, and I'm guessing 90% the reason why this ain't working is because this battery pack was pushed on top of this connector right here. This is kind of like bad practicing. You don't do kind of like this, especially when you're secure gluing in. I'm like, no. So now I gotta remove the fan. Okay, so I can get to that. I also have to check the... Oh. So this is an AX200. I think that's what it was supposed to be. You also have to check the... Whoop. Actually, you know what? It's down. We're going to zoom in on it. So this one's the AX200D, and I think that's the right one. It actually might not be. They were having problems with the manufacturing process where they got a whole bunch of bad chips on them, and this is just like, no, don't do that. Okay, so now I really hope. Okay, so this is stupid. This is fucking stupid. I shouldn't be the one doing this crap. It should be the manufacturer who's in charge of this shit. Cause like, cause as soon as I screw up something or something catches on fire, it's my fault. It's gonna be my fault, and they're gonna blame me for it. When their tech team literally said just undo the joystick. What was their fucking bullshit? They're literal bullshit. Tear the joystick hardware down and reinstall it. So, leads me to believe I have to literally tear down everything because the joystick crap is underneath everything. So I have to touch everything. This is the stupidest thing ever. I want this to work afterwards. I don't want it to not work. They didn't give me any instructions whatsoever, and so that pisses me off even more. Because I'm like, oh, that's great, I can do it. Just send me instructions. And they're like, nope, just tear it down. I'm like, no. You guys fucking stupid or some shit? Okay, so this one is a long one. He's a long boy. This one should also be a long boy. Yep. Okay, so we got two long ones. So this should just yoink out, I guess. I really want to find... They should really figure out where... I should really figure out where... Nope, it's buried. Like, the plug for the battery should just be, like, right here in front. It shouldn't be separate. It shouldn't be doing other things. It should just be there. And I have no idea what I have no idea what I'm looking for. To be honest, they didn't send me anything. Like, this is some stupid ass shit. Like, is this the controller? Pogo Win3. I think that might be it. I gotta get my... I gotta get my meter. Because I literally can't do this crap without trying to do some... I'm thinking right now, because these pins don't look like they're connected. Maybe it's this thing. Oh, we're gonna... Okay, so if I go from one end... Actually, I can touch both. It doesn't matter. Okay. Without any specific way, how am I supposed to diagnose this crap? Is it the pogo pins? I mean, like... Okay, maybe this is all I need to do. I'm not going to put the cover back on because dumb me always knows that if you put the cover back on, you're not done yet. I really just hope that this is just these pins that connect to this board. Wait, because when I remove this, wait. What goes on after I remove this? Like, seriously. Like, what's under here that connects this joystick pad to the dang thing? I gotta think about it logically. I gotta stop cursing these people out because they didn't do their jobs right. Because that ain't gonna help me. Okay, so from what I can tell, this is the only thing going in. Okay, so from what I can tell, okay, let me just not crush anything. Get my meter out of here. It was pointless. Maybe not, but we'll see. All right, so from what I can tell, these pins, they're push. So if you push against them, they're gonna line up. And from what I can tell, this is the only thing that has a ribbon cable that goes somewhere in that general direction. This thing don't look like... Yeah, the rest of it don't look like it's a thing. Swear to God, these things are so fucking stupid. I don't want to touch a lithium polymer battery. I might have no choice. Because these assholes don't even... Okay, so what I'm thinking is maybe one of these things... Okay, so what I'm thinking of originally is these things, these stick-out pins, might not be connecting with the pads underneath there. And it does look like this might be the only... Let me just double check and make sure. Or is it this way and you gotta flip this thing up? Dang it. I really don't like being around batteries that are lithium ion or lithium polymer. I can stand around lithium ion batteries all... They're lithium... Yeah, lithium ion batteries all day. What the shit? Just... Alright, you know what? I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just thinking it's the pins that didn't make a proper connection. We're going to screw this down. We're not going to do any more investigative work at this proper moment. We are just going to... We're not going to YOLO it at all, but we're still going to... Because this does have a lot of parts to it, and I'm just thinking that these pins right here didn't properly connect, maybe. I really just hope that that's the case. If it is, the Windows driver should just pick it up. Ooh. We're gonna secure the main fan too. Just cause like I don't want it just dripping out the back as we test this. Oh, we're gonna zoom out a bit because I am not that skilled to work on one part of the thing while it works. Ah! Okay, there's one. There's the other, and No fires, no fires, no fires. Hey! No fires. Come on, GPD win. I really just hope that it was just the pins. It was a stupid simple fix. And I can let them off the hook with just being like, hey, you know what? You guys didn't do anything. Nope. Password. I just put it as Q for right now. Do you see anything? DE device manager. We are on mouse mode. Oh wait, something. Oh okay, so hey. Okay. So yeah, it looks like that was just it. So they did something stupid. Alright, so we're gonna okay. So that looks like that was the fix. If you see, okay, so now I might have to install the drivers for their mouse. All right. See, let's turn off the glow. All right, but now I actually get an Xbox 360. Oh, god damn it! Touch screens. But now I'm actually seeing an Xbox 360 controller when I actually flip the switch. I was not getting that last time. Yep, okay. So I might have to install their mouse drivers for this to work. But at least I think the Xbox controller system is up and running. We're gonna... Can I just pop this on? Just to be... Ooh, nope. That was dumb. Okay, so we're just gonna pop this back on. Alright, I don't know what's installing or what happened there. Okay. So we got that done. If that was the case, that's stupidly simple. So there. Because I installed Windows version, whatever it was. We're going to go to Microsoft Edge. Because I didn't install Chrome, because you know why? Waste of time. Chromium. Microsoft Edge is now using a Chromium Chromium setup. So they're just using Google. So good for y'all. GPD Win3. There we go. That one. Nope. People are searching for products now. Nope. GPD Win. Download. Download. There we go. And this is gonna be something stupid, I know. Oh wait, GPD Win download. Firmware. Download this. Download this. Wait, do I have this already downloaded? Because I'm just like... Yeah, no, I already have everything. Okay, so... Repair. Okay. So Windows 10 drivers. 64. Yes, install everything. Use your custom script and totally wreck everything. Hey, there's a few more successful things here. And we got to reboot. And hopefully, That'll until I download Steam, it's not gonna work. Well, until I download Steam, I'm not gonna know, because I didn't want to open everything up. Wait, no. Yes! Oh, yes! Oh, yes, oh, yes. Okay, so, I gotta just delete everything. Q. Enter. Yes! Oh my goodness! Yes, that was it! That was it! Stupid! So it was 4 pins. It's those 4 pins. GPD Win, get on that. You need to have some kind of like testing for this now, because you guys made a part that's mechanical. Mechanical parts always fail first. That's the problem. That was the problem. It was a mechanical part. It was a mechanical part that failed inside the thing, and it wasn't the fan. You have a fan, and you have those pins, and maybe some buttons. Everything else, besides the controller part, you have only like 2 mechanical. You have mechanical parts in there. The controller should be the only thing with mechanical parts in it. This is why. This is why it failed. And you specifically knew. It's just like, oh gosh. So, for anybody else who's having these problems, open up and you're not able to access your mouse or controller in any way, shape, or form, open up the back. Let me just, okay, so I'm going to shut this down first before I do it. I'm going to show you those 4 pins again, because I don't want anyone else to go through this. Alright? Because this is so dumb. So we take the case. Oh, the case has already been blah. So we're going to do this again. So if you don't have one of these, use a credit card. Basically, you unscrew the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. You stick a credit card in through the top, and you gotta watch out for the. Okay, so you stick your credit card in, and you see like little clips here. If I can grab it. See those little clips? You don't want to go in too far, because you'll go behind the cooling for this. You want to leave one of them in there, because the clips will go back to where they were. Then you want to stick it in here. Make sure that's good. Okay, so stick it. Next one, you get another credit card or something. You want to stick it in between these. This one right here. Oh, jeez. Autofocus on this. There we go. Yeah, you want to stick it in between here. And then just run it across. Because... Oh, no. Oh, no, you're still on. You are not supposed to be on. You're supposed to be off fully. There we go. Yeah, always make sure it's shut down. Don't touch the power button. Okay, so you heard that click? That was it coming undone. So your first thing will try and your first thing below might pop out. So just kind of reposition that as you're going across here. Oh, come on, please don't fuck with. There you go. There we go. Stick that right there. Oh, make sure if you're using something else besides like these little clip things from iFixit, make sure they're non-metallic. Because if you throw something metallic in there, besides the fact that it could be sharp, and it probably will sharpen at an edge, there we go. You heard that crack? That was the thing coming apart. I do have to give them some kind of, like, you know, recognition that their things don't go flying off everywhere once you try and get it out. So at this point, it's kind of floppy. You go in through the back. You slide your credit card back all the way down. Pulling at all those. Okay, there we go. So that's separated. So this thing, right here. Right here. These 4 pins have a mechanical leverage spring in them. It's stupid. It's a spring-loaded pin. Come on, GPD Win. Come on. I know it's easier for you guys to install this at some point, but holy crap. I thought I had to, like, undo everything. So these 4 pins right here just need... you need to unscrew everything, click them a little, and then go in, and then just let them do their job, because... yeah, unscrew these 2 screws right here. 1, 2... oh, nope, we're going to go in. These 4 pins are mechanical. I am not removing them now that I got it to work. But those 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, are mechanical. They have a mechanical spring in them, and they just, I showed you before, but those are the 4 pins you need to figure out. God damn. So that was dumb. It took me like 2 weeks to figure this out, because I'm just like, I don't want to open up a $1,000 piece of equipment. When you're done, just screw it back in, place them in, put the cover back on. Let's put these 7 screws back in. Jeez. There is no official thing. They should all the clips should just clip into place. Let's start with the top. You don't even need to do these top 2 up here, it looks like. Unless I was really gonna go into it. So do not undo these. Okay. Yeah, come on, you. Come on, autofocus, you piece of garbage. But yeah, these 2 screws right here, you don't need to remove them. Crap, where's my second one? Because they're so freaking tiny. They're like, But I do like that they're all they're all magnetic. They can be used. So don't remove those 2 screws. It was pointless. So let's go back into auto mode. Let's go zoom out. Another thing that they told me to do was, I think, thwap it or something. Give it a good whack at some point. Which I really hated that they told me to do that. Because it's $1,000 piece of equipment. And they want me to whack it until it works or something. That was one of their other responses. I think that was on Twitter that I got that response on. Just whack it. It should work. I'm like, what? No! What are you smoking. Like, jeez. I mean, like, it's great that you think you can whack things. And just like, yeah, I mean, like, hypothetically, if you did that to this, it could work. But I'm like, Jesus, this. You probably have parts all around there for like situations like that, and I'm just like, no, no. Why? Why would you let people whack their? Whatever. At this point, as long as I get this. Okay, let's close it up. Turn it back on because this is the real test now. Because now that it's on, now that it's closed up, and oh no, no, please come back to me. Okay, good. Okay. Because if now that it's all closed up, I'm not gonna touch it again. Hopefully. Yep. Okay. So yeah. Okay. It works now. Cool. Q. Oh, thank God. You have, whenever I get something stupidly expensive, it just honestly annoys me when it doesn't work. Yep, but now, okay, so, yep, okay. So we got the mouse, the mouse. And I guess this is WASDF, or no, WASD, yeah, for that. I'm not sure. Wait, notepad. Oh, wait, no, I don't even need a notepad. W, D, yep. Okay, and this goes up or down? No. Okay, so we're gonna... No! So I gotta actually notepad it. Enter. Okay, so this should... Nope. Arrow keys don't actually go up and down. Left, right. Start. Finish. Okay. Alright, so for right now, I haven't even gotten this far in this. So, alright, so I'm gonna take this down. We've repaired it. It's fully repaired. We're good. Hey! So, awesome. So, I'm gonna try and make this my main... No, I don't want to make this my main rig. Well, maybe I will make this my main rig at some point. And throw a Thunderbolt dock on it and get rid of my regular PC. Sell it on eBay for like twice what it's worth. But no, that's actually very bad. But yeah, no. Okay, so anyways, I'll see you guys next time. And I'm glad you guys tuned in for seeing how I repaired my GPD Win. Bye.